Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. Feel free to stick around and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a TJ Maxx haul and then also a couple other things or a few other things that I recently got as well. If you want to see what I got, make sure you keep on watching. I film videos so sporadically now that I don't know, I'm just not in as much of a routine of filming videos consistently. Unfortunately, it is what it is, but I haven't even filmed a video since I got my hair done, and that was a few weeks ago, so it's been a little bit. I did recently go to TJ Maxx 2 separate times, so I thought that I would just share with you a little haul video. TJ Maxx is one of my favorite places to go. I love that store. You can find some really good stuff, and I'm really excited to share with you what I got. So yeah, let's get into the things that I got. I'm gonna start with this bag. This was from the first Saturday of shopping. Not that it matters, but that's just the order that we're gonna go in. First off, I got these gift bags. It's a set of 3. I liked getting them in a set of 3. I got a set of 3 for $4.99. So that's $5 for 3 gift bags. I just don't like buying a singular gift bag for $2.49 or $2.99. Just not a fan of that. There was a really cute one that had like daisy-like flowers on the gift bag yesterday, because you know I went to TJ Maxx again yesterday, and it was $2.49 for about this size, or maybe a little bit bigger. There was 2 different sizes, but they were both priced $2.49, and I just didn't want to do it. So I like getting a set of 3. I feel like I'm getting a better deal. So yeah, set of 3 for $4.99. Thought that they were really cute and pretty, and yeah, I like these. A pretty decent size as well. I don't have in mind necessarily who I would use these for. It's just good to have gift bags on hand, I think. So gift bags is the first thing. Next up, since I did get this about a week ago, this is a moisturizer that I've been using at night. It's the Burt's Bees Truly Glowing Gel Cream. And I'm not a fan of this scent. I didn't open it in the store or anything like that. I'll use it up. Let me show you the jar that it comes in as well. So it looks like this. You get 1.8 ounces, and I paid $12.99 for it. I did need another moisturizer, specifically a night moisturizer. So I wanted to try this out. I'm just not the fan of the scent. It smells, yeah, it just smells like plants maybe, or that's at least my assessment. Not a huge fan of it, but I will use it up. But I personally wouldn't get this again just because I don't like the scent, and that's just personal preference. Next up, I got some more self tanners. So especially whenever I can get the St. Tropez brand. I don't like the mist one, the one that comes in like the aerosol container. Personally, I think that there is one that comes in an aerosol container, right? And that one to me, I think is just like a little messy. So I personally don't really love that one. But I don't think I've tried this one out before, and I might not have tried this one either. It's very similar to the daily one, which is what I usually get. But this, we'll go with this one first. So this is the St. Tropez Bronzing Lotion. It says natural, healthy looking skin. It's different, so it's natural. It's a bronzing lotion versus the one that I have more commonly gotten at TJ Maxx is the everyday lotion. I think I don't use that one every day. Just personally, I don't use it every day. But this maybe lasts longer or something. I'm not 100% sure. But this you get 8 fluid ounces and was $16.99. Now the everyday lotion I think was around $12.99. So this was a little bit more expensive, but it is a larger size. That is one thing, and especially if it lasts longer, like that would maybe make more sense on why this one is more expensive. Just my initial thoughts. This one, I have never tried this. I'm like more certain that I've never tried this than that I've ever tried this. Hopefully that makes sense. Don't know if it does. But this is the St. Tropez Bronzing Gel. It says 1 hour hydrating tan. Oh, it's the Self Tan Express. So 1 hour is light, 2 hours medium, 3 hours is dark. So I guess you wash it off after a certain amount of time. So this one you do have to be more precise with, rather than putting on a bronzing mousse and rinsing it off the next day. which is a lot of the times that I do, or the everyday lotion, that kind of thing. So this one you do have to be, I guess, more specific, more intentional with it. But you know, I wanted to try this out, and this one was also $16.99. The next thing I got, I've been wanting to get some more sheet masks like this. So this is Advanced Brightening sheet masks from the brand Skin Aesthetics. It comes with a set of 5. Once again, if I can get, you know, like a set rather than an individual, not to say that I won't buy an individual sheet mask, because I will also do that. But I like getting them in a set. This was a set of 5 for $4.99, so around $1 per sheet mask. And I've just been wanting to get some more sheet masks, so I was excited to get these. Before I go to the next TJ Maxx bag, we're gonna break it up a little bit, and I'm gonna show you what one of my friends got me for my birthday. So the first thing is this lipstick that I was showing at the beginning of the video, or I might insert footage here. Haven't totally decided how I'm going to edit that, but it's from the brand Winky Looks, and it's supposed to change based on your pH. So that's really, really cool. So it's like this pinkish color, but then in the bullet, it looks like this. Now I did put on lip liner and had lipstick on this morning, but that was mostly gone. And I think you could kind of see the change in color, that clearly like what was going on. And then whenever you do a swatch, it's like that really cool pinky color. So that's super fun. So that was one of the things. And then she also got me this Kate's Best Sellers, this little skincare set. I love skincare. She knows this. So it comes with Kate Somerville, the Wrinkle Warrior. I've never tried that out. There's also and these are like the little like trial sizes. So it comes with the Wrinkle Warrior. It also comes with the Retinol Vita C Power Serum. Never used that either. Comes with a little tube of Exfoliate. I have used that. Comes with the Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser. I think I've used that before. Then it also comes with her oil-free moisturizer, and I've never used that. So this nice little set, I will open it up and also kind of show you the little products inside. So yeah, like this is the oil-free moisturizer. This is Exfoliate. This is the Retinol Vita C Serum. The little foaming cleanser is definitely a good size for travel. And then this is the Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer and Serum. So definitely a good birthday present. I love skincare and I love makeup, and I never heard of this lipstick before. That is super fun. Now I'm going to go into the other TJ Maxx bag. So to start off the bat, I got 2 pairs of pants that I mostly got, like I'm pretty sure I'm only gonna wear these to work. So like necessary, well I have work pants, but it's just not as exciting to buy work pants versus other pants, you know what I'm saying? So I got a pair of black pants. I also didn't even try these on until after, like I tried these on last night, but I didn't try these on in the store because I mean, I could return them if they didn't fit, but sometimes you can kind of tell. Also, these were on clearance, so these were $16. That is exciting. While it may not have been as exciting to get work pants, it was exciting that they were only $16, I guess. And it's from the brand Nicole Miller, New York. It says Luxe Ultra Soft Stretch. So, black pants. This is literally just, you know, black pants. I think that they're like pretty, well, no, these might be considered skinny, but yeah. So I got these, and then I also got a pair of, these aren't quite navy, they're more like maybe royal blue pants. These are also on clearance, and these were $18. These are Michael Kors brand. So yeah, pair of blue pants as well, and these are also skinny. So yeah, pants. I got a set of scrunchies. I was debating, so this I got in the checkout line, and I was debating getting these. But for one, I was wearing a yellow t-shirt, which also probably helped push me towards the decision of getting these. I have been wanting to get more scrunchies, mostly because I wanted a nude color, because I had a nude scrunchie, but it fell apart, or I'm not really sure how to word that, but I can't really use it anymore. So I obviously didn't want to get a set, because get the whole set and only use one. But I definitely could see myself using this one. This one's cute too. I would, use this one. I could use this one. I could use this one. And then also, this one is probably the one that I'm most iffy of. Not saying that I won't use it, but based on the fact of like, yeah, I could for sure use these other ones as well, kind of helped me in the decision of getting these. And this was a set of 6, wow. A set of 6 for $4.99, so that's a pretty good deal. And then I was so excited about. I've never seen this at TJ Maxx. Another reason that I love TJ Maxx, you just don't know what you're gonna find. So this is the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. If you have watched my I think I used this in my very first video. Like, I have used the shadow primer for a very long time. We go back, and I think full price now it is $22 to $24, around that price range. I got this for $9.99. Yeah, over 50% off. I absolutely got this. Also, I don't think I have a backup. This is my current one that I'm using. I still, have a decent amount, and this will still last me a little while, but very excited to have a backup. Like I said, I don't think I do. Either way, I know that I will be using this, and to get it over 50% off, I'm a big fan of. So I just have one thing to show you from Target, and that is this bag. Unfortunately, the backpack that I had been using for a while doesn't zip up anymore, so I can't really be using that anymore. Also, I was thinking, I have a what's in my bag that I filmed that I probably will never post in now, since I'm using that bag and I don't use it anymore. Does that make sense? I think I filmed that in February, and I'm filming this at the end of July. So I know that you're gonna be seeing this in August, or I'm thinking you'll be seeing this video in August. So yeah, not only was that filmed a while ago, I also don't use that bag anymore, so I probably will not be editing and uploading that video. It was one of those things where I was having problems with the editing software, so I did edit the video. I just was having problems with the software that I was using, so I never was able to upload the video, and then I just didn't feel like editing it again. A whole thing. But back to the backpack. So I got this from Target. I'm very much a fan of backpack for a bag life versus using a purse. I did kind of look at the bags at TJ Maxx, and I didn't love one of those as much. I don't know if I would say that I love this, but I could see myself using it. I'll still look for other bags. One thing that I'm not a fan of is the zipper. I'm not sure how long lasting this will be, but see that zipped up fine, obviously, of course. But I guess maybe closing it, you just have to be a little bit more careful, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but I still will probably look at other bags. I just like using a backpack for a bag. Has this nice front pouch. It has, obviously the zipper closure, and then there is a pocket in the front inside, and then there's also a zipper pocket. And it's a pretty decent size. You can actually fit a pretty good amount of stuff in this as well. I already took the tag off and threw it away. I think it was around $27, $28, maybe less than that. Can't totally remember. I think that this bag is by Universal Thread, if you were curious, and I did get it at Target. Those are the items that I got in my haul video today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really, 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 really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video.